Next example, example number 5. The given equations are 4m plus 6n is equal to 54, 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Now you have to solve the given equations by the same method, only you have to change the variables as m and n instead of x and y. Also you have to do one thing, that is the equation number 1 is 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. This whole equation can be divided by 2 and you get the reduced form of that equation is 2m plus 3n is equal to 27. Then write the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Form the determinants d, dm and dn. Then use the formulae m is equal to dm upon d, n is equal to dn upon d, and then find the solution. The solution is 6, 5. The last example in the practice set, example number 6. The given two equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now look at the second equation. The second equation is x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Multiply the whole equation by 2 and you will get 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. First equation remains as it is. Then by using first and second equations, get the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 1, c2 is equal to 1. Then form determinants d, dx, dy as usual. Use the formulae x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy upon d, and you will get the solution as 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4. Our practice set 1.3 is now completed. Solve more examples of this type given in the problem set. Now we are going to solve the third example in the practice set 1.4. Practice set 1.4 is quite different. In this practice set, the given equations are not actually the linear equations, but these equations can be converted into the form of linear equations in two variables. We take example number 3 in the practice set 1.4. The example number 3 is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, and 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. We have to convert the above two equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. For that, replace 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. By doing this, we get the above two equations as 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Call these two equations as 1 and 2. Now add these two equations. On adding, we get 31m plus 27m becomes 58m and 31n plus 27n becomes 58n. 85 plus 89 becomes 174. Now we get the equation as 58m plus 58n is equal to 174. The variables m and n have the same coefficient, that is 58, and the constant term 174 can be written as 58 into 3. So divide the whole equation by 58. We get m plus n is equal to 3. Call this as equation 3. Similarly, on subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 27m minus 31m is equal to minus 4m, 31n minus 27n is equal to 4n, 85 minus 89 is equal to minus 4, and the new equation becomes minus 4m plus 4n is equal to minus 4. Then divide this equation by minus 4. We get m minus n is equal to 1. Call this as equation 4. Now add equations 3 and 4 and you will get 2m is equal to 4. On reducing, we get m is equal to 2. Now replace m is equal to 2 in equation 4 or in equation 3 and we get the value of n as n is equal to 1. So the values of m and n are 2 and 1. Then resubstitution. On resubstituting these values, we get 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2, 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. By cross multiplication, we get 2x minus 4 is equal to 1 and y plus 3 is equal to 1. On solving these two equations, we get x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2. And so the solution is 5 upon 2 minus 2. Solve this whole practice set again. Then solve the problem set, and if you have any query, write it on your WhatsApp group.